The Milky Way contains hundreds of billions of stars. Many are older than our Sun. Around countless stars, planets are orbiting right now. Scientists have already confirmed thousands of exoplanets, and some exist in regions where liquid water could survive. So here's the mystery. In a universe this large, where is everybody? Why have we found no confirmed sign of intelligent life? This question is called the Fermi Paradox, and the answer could change how we understand life, survival, and our place in the cosmos. Why this question matters. This isn't just science fiction, it's a real scientific puzzle. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old. Earth formed much later. That means other planets had a huge head start. If even one civilization began millions of years before us, it could be far beyond anything we can imagine. By cosmic standards, humanity is new. We learned to fly just over a century ago. We reached the moon only recently. Our radio signals have barely traveled a tiny fraction of the galaxy. So if others exist and started earlier, why do we see no evidence, no clear signals? No confirmed spacecraft, no visible mega-structures, just silence, the Fermi Paradox. The paradox is simple. Given the size and age of the universe, intelligent life seems possible, but observation gives us nothing conclusive. That tension between probability and silence is the mystery, and scientists, philosophers, and futurists have proposed several explanations. Some are hopeful, some are terrifying, and one of them points directly at us. The first major idea is called the Great Filter. It suggests that somewhere between dead matter and galaxy-traveling civilization, there is a barrier so difficult that almost nobody passes it. That barrier could happen early. Life may be extremely rare. Complex cells may be unlikely. Intelligence may almost never emerge. Or it could happen late. Advanced technology destroys civilizations. Climate collapse ends growth. War wipes species out. Artificial intelligence turns against creators. If the Great Filter is behind us, humanity is incredibly lucky. If it is ahead of us, our greatest danger may still be coming. That turns the silence of space into a warning. The dark forest theory. Another explanation is darker. The dark forest theory imagines the universe as a forest at night. Every civilization is trying to survive. None can fully know another's intentions. A peaceful signal could be genuine, or it could be bait. A weak civilization today could become powerful tomorrow. In that environment, silence becomes strategy. Stay hidden, stay alert, do not reveal your position. This idea is not proven science, but it powerfully explains why a populated universe could still appear quiet. Not because no one exists, because no one wants to be seen. What about humanity? Now consider us. For decades, Earth has sent radio, radar, and other signals into space. We've launched probes carrying information about humanity. We often assume contact would be inspiring, and it might be, but history teaches another lesson. When civilizations meet with huge differences in power, outcomes are not always equal. So the real question is not only, is anyone out there? It is also, what happens when a young civilization announces itself before it fully understands the universe? That question has no confirmed answer. Yet, a third possibility. There is also a simpler explanation. Intelligent life could be real, but too far away, too rare, too different, or using technology we don't know how to detect. Humanity has only just begun searching. The galaxy is enormous. Our tools are young. Our sample size is tiny. In other words, silence is not proof of absence. It may only prove how early we are in the search. In conclusion, the Fermi Paradox is bigger than aliens. It forces us to ask deeper questions. How rare is life? How long do civilizations survive? What destroys intelligence? What future are we building for ourselves? Because one day, if we do find another civilization, the discovery will transform history, and if we never do, that may be just as important. Either way, the night sky is not empty. It is a mirror reflecting our fears, our hopes, and the future we choose next. In a universe full of stars, the greatest mystery may not be who is out there, but what becomes of those who rise